should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 4, 5, 5,
5, 5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 4, 5, 5,
5, 5,
6,
6,
7,
7.
Beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, beep, bop, beep. Look who is coming. It's a fire truck. Firefighter is coming to the rescue. If you need help, I will be there to help you. Driving a fire truck, vroom, 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 just like that. Wheel, wheel. Here I come. Beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, beep, bop,
Wow.
beep. Fire, fire, firefighter's coming, coming. Don't be scared, we're
Yes.
coming. I'll take the fire hose, I'll climb up the ladder. Splish
3.
and splash, we'll put out a fire.
Yeah. 1,
Bright
2,
sparkles, bright sparkles. A
3,
pretty dream come true.
4,
Can I have that color blue? Oh, we just run out of blue. I will find that color blue.
Excellent.
For my yummy juice. You have to find that fruit with the color blue.
Good.
Oh, blueberries! Yummy juice!
Good job.
I'm a meow 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 meow. I just wanna play 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 play. Every night. Every day. Every night. Every day. I'm a meow 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 and I just wanna play play play. Every night and every day. Kiss.
Hey, anxiety.
Okay.
Aha. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Hi all. Have you watched this episode where a lunchbox ate all the numbers and they lost their colors? Of course, Ken and I painted them back. We learned so many bright colors that day, and some numbers too. That was a really fun playdate. So, friends, if you missed the video I'm talking about, you can find it on our channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. We love you.
B, B, big blue bee. What can the letter B be? Flop, flop, little wings. Flop them high and flop them low. Tap, tap, little feet. Tap them fast and tap them slow. Big and I, now we see a penguin from the letter B. Look!
Great, Mom.
Yay!
Oh no.
Always be nice to your friends. You don't have to be mean. You
Whoa,
can share and
yeah.
play. Sometimes words can hurt and make
Yellow.
your friend unhappy.
Green.
Sharing is caring.
Step 1, draw a 9 and 6 round and curvy magic tricks. Step 2, little paws below. Tap, 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 now watch it grow. Step 3, draw the kitty face. Tiny nose in the right place. Add a smile, soft and sweet. Whiskers long on both sides neat. Step for ears up high, tail goes swish and base goodbye. Now it's done, can you see? You've made a cat so easily.
Great, Mommy!
Woo! B, B, big blue bee. What can the letter B be? Flap, 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 little wings. Tap, 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 little feet. B can die. Now we see a penguin from the letter B. B, B, big blue bee. Penguin dancing 1, 2, 3.
Riding a super train, yeah, yeah. On the train tracks.
Daddy!
What? I want to be a driver. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo, choo. Delivering some food to you. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo, choo.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
La la la, la la la, la 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 la. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. La la la, la la la, la la la. La la la, la la la.
Great!
One circle, one big circle. One circle, one big circle. One circle, one big circle. W, 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 W. Nipple, 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 E.
Oh, I knew I forgot something. Let's see. This'll do nicely.
Wow!
Isn't that spectacular? And what's this?
That looks like so much fun.
All right, get to work. Remember, it has to be a sculpture of us. And make sure we're beautiful.
That's what this contest is all about. Fun! Now, where did I put my cane? I'll find it sooner or later. Well, I'll let you get to it. Here, Caney, come to King Waldo.
That King Waldo, he always has a smile on his face, even when his cane is missing.
That's it. Let's turn the waterfall into a sculpture of the king's smiling face.
That's a great idea, Your Highness. I can use my horn to sculpt, and I can use my sword. What just happened?
We iced you. That's what happened. My turn. Hey, let us out of here. Not until the contest is over. And we win. And what's the best way to win a contest? To not have any competition. Oh, bye-bye, you babies.
This is all Sir Kitty Cat's fault. First he signs you up for this contest, and then he doesn't even come. And now, look where we are.
We sure could use his help getting out of this ice. Did you say help, Your Highness? Zsa Zsa, it's so good to see you. Could you break this ice for us? Oh, no, where'd that hammer go? Never mind the hammer, Zsa Zsa. That magnifying glass will work. But Princess, I can already see where you are.
No, Zsa Zsa. What Princess Billy means is if you float the magnifying glass above us, it will increase the power of the sun and...
Give you a suntan.
or melt the ice.
Or melt the ice. Perfect. Now will you fetch Sir Kitty Cat for us in a flash? Yes. I forgot to get off at the traffic circle.
Zsa Zsa, what are you doing here?
Princess Billy sent me to get the cat. Where is he?
Where else? Sleeping inside.
I'm soaked! Princess, are you all right?
We're okay, but we could use a hand getting out of this ice.
A hand or a claw?
Thanks, Sir Kitty Cat.
It feels good to move.
Let's just go home and forget about the contest. You didn't want to do it anyway.
It's true. I didn't plan on being in this contest. But now that we are, let's do our best.
Thank you, Princess. And because I got you into this, you can count on these claws to help.
Are you done yet? Not bad, but it's missing personality. That's better. Yeah, cool. Marie, look. Well, it might not look like the king, but I think he'll
Look, the tongue is still a slide.
You call that a sculpture? It looks like a baby made that. In its diaper.
Okay, time is up. Or that's what my judges tell me, at least. May the most spectacular kingdom win. Let's see what King Colossal made for us. Oh. What about Princess Dulcet? Huh? Now the twin princesses. Yes, quite good, but mean. And finally, Princess Billy. A smiling slide. How spectacular! I hereby declare... Huh? The smiling slide. Where did it go?
What smiling slide?
Well, it appears the twin princess's sculpture is the only one in the contest this year. So I declare it the most spectacular...
We won!
Oh.
Oh, look what we did find.
Your cane. We won! Well, at least we did our best.
And now, for the winners, a spectacular prize! Isn't that spectacular?
I'm so glad we didn't win.
Me too, but I am glad that we entered. Thank you, Sir Kitty Cat.
Thank you, Princess. We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And